What is up, everyone? It's a beautiful day today out on the water. Beautiful overcast. As you can tell, this is a very public lake. Boats all over the place. I'm gonna strap on. I think there's a good chance of catching some bass today, so we'll see how everything goes. Starting off with a little spinnerbait with an impulse little swimmer on there. I think that's like 3 inches, 3.5. Fishing a little point, a submersed point out in the boat shop today. Oh, I already got bit. Oh, I got bit again. Oh my gosh. Just got bit 3 times. Oh my gosh, 4? Can I get 5? Dude. What the heck? Missed it every time. That was the first cast of the day. Now we're gonna be on the second one. Seagulls are following me today. Oh, they're swooping something. I'm just gonna kind of give her hell. Right now I'm just trying to move some water, try to locate some fish. The fish in this lake move around a lot, you know. Gosh, what are the point of jet skis, dude? It seems so dumb. Except if it's a stand-up. Now those things can be a little fun. I got one, guys. It is not very big, but I do have a fish. Dang. Look at that monster, dude. Holy cow. Guys, he's got a big mouth, dude. I don't know what kind of sunfish this is, but he's real beautiful with the blue in there and the orange and green. Look at the mouth on that guy. All right, not the fish we're looking for, but I'm not complaining. Fish is a fish at this point. Warmed up, got the skunk out the boat. Great things are bound to happen now. Like I said, I think I'm gonna pick up the jig. Gosh, this plastic is tore up. Use the plastic until the plastic is no more. Okay, I might work my way a little shallower. Once you find one, you're usually in the fish. All right, they might not all be in that same exact spot, but slow down and try the area. Or new areas, same techniques. Oh, I just got bit. I missed it. There we go. Got one. A little better. Not much, but a little bit. Hey, that's an upgrade. Might have to throw the jig up in there. See if there's any big ones sitting on the bottom. More weed than fish at this rate. Usually it goes about even. There's one. Might be better. Oh yeah, he's decent. Decent one. Oh yeah. Oh, don't get wrapped on the jig. Go on the other side of the boat. Alright, guys. Boom, that's an upgrade. Third fish. Not a giant, but hey, that'll get me on the board. He's got some little leeches in his mouth. Bye, Jared. a little further. And this fish on. Tell me why I thought it was a jumbo perch. I was about to lose my mind. Alright, second biggest bass of the day. That ain't saying much, but at least it's not the second smallest. Fine. I want to put it on, but at the same time I don't. Fish on. Decent one at that. Second biggest fish of the day. Comes from this little point I'm fishing. I don't do much relaxing. This one's nicer. He's playing hide and go seek. Nice one right here. Good fish right here. One of the better ones of the day. Oh yeah, almost two. Woo! Got one. Feels decent. It's pull and drag. Oh, oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I found some fish finally. Second one now at this spot. This was a spot I was getting them on last time I was here. Guess I should have came here earlier. Second fish, that one might have been a little smaller than the other one. He just got buried in the weeds, so I thought he was bigger. Well, yeah. Good one. Good one. Oh! Oh. It jumped and shook it. 20 pounder.
20 pounder.
Yeah. Woo. Ate it right under the boat. One of the best ones of the day right here. 2.5 pounds probably. Well, I'm an idiot. Whipped my fucking spinner off. It's under the buoy approximately. I'm just gonna... I don't want to get in. To be honest.
Oh, something was fucking hammering it.
But I have to. You know, I can't just let my bait go sit on the bottom of the lake.
Yep, and one day somebody else is gonna grab it.
I can't see it anymore.
Test your
I'm just
PB.
gonna go down there and feel around on the bottom.
Find a snapping turtle while you're there.
Yeah. Oh, what the heck?
Damn.
Dude, I'm gonna wait for the sun to come out to the island.
Why just go in there?
I don't want to yet. I don't know.
You can probably find it. Probably, how deep is it? 3 feet. If I could touch the bottom,
First time.
if I can touch the bottom, then I can probably. Nah, possible.
Touch the bottom.
My hand.
Alright. Oh, I see it. You see it?
Oh, glasses.
Alright.
Oh, I see it.
Here comes my bait.
La Akbar.
Just fucking bomb the entire spot.
Oh, you're looking for that bait. 3 feet, my ass. Oh yeah, what you
Doing
feeling?
some noodling with my feet.
Oh yeah. What you find there, Earl?
I think I might have grabbed it right away, but then I dropped it.
Oh, I saw something flash on him.
Now it's so mucky I can't even see.
You want to use your glasses?
I don't think that'll help.
Some X-ray vision.
I just took a piss, so I'm gonna wait for it to settle down a little bit in this area.
Took a piss and this water's already dirtier than chocolate milk.
Alright, ready?
He's going in. He's going in. He has it. Damn.
Alright,
What was it?
5'7", 5'7" all day.
5'7", dude. 5'7".
What a hog, bro. Grab him.
5'7". That'd be my PB.
Hold that thing up.
God damn, bro.
See that chain.
Kegger, bro.
Look at that.
Let me get a
belly.
picture of that, bro.
Get him in the water quick.
Missed
Don't,
the-
you don't want him to die.
Missed the
He's
7.
already bleeding.
Missed the 7, but. Oh my god, you just hit my hand.
That thing's. It's a big fish right
Send
there.
that picture for me. Good release.
You gonna get a picture?
I think so. Cool. Oh, you
Good work, bro.
guys.
Not bad, not bad.
Oh shit. Oh.
Yeah, that's mid dive.
Ouchie. Relax, sir. Boom.
We should push that dock.
Boom.
That's how you do it, brother.
Nice.
Darkness is falling. We're out here on the boat.
Oh yeah. Fast and gonna be dark.
You need to put the lights on, Bob.
Is there lights on this thing?
Yeah. Oh, there's one.
Hog?
Another nice one. Julian's, when it jumped, you could hear how big it was. It made a different noise.
Yeah. Solid 2.
It jumped out from the boat too.
What do you think?
Right under the boat. Woo!
That's a hog, bro.
Look at his stomach.
3 all day long.
Look at his stomach.
That's a 3 all day long.
Boom. Right under the boat. I can't see shit on my GoPro. It's so dark, dude. Look at the stomach. It's like a triangle.
Yeah, what the fuck? It's probably got a fish in there. Hasn't digested it yet.
You are gonna Shimon.
Give an outro.
Yes, sir. Yeah, there.
Outro to the video.
That's gonna be enough for today, guys. Thank you for coming out here with me on the bass trip. It's been fishing up north A-Bad with
Your boy, main host, Bass Slayer. Always catching them on the fucking whatever bait. I'm a slayer. Hell yeah. Got any bait?
Show him that empty ass graph.
Look at
right
this
there.
empty ass graph.
Nothing,
Oh my
bro.
Any words you want to say?
I caught a 5'7" today, boys. And it was a giant. Okay, let me tell you the mouth of this boy.
Straight
It's about
hog.
this big. It's a hog. I got my witnesses here, Isaiah,
that happened,
Chingong, yeah.
What
Alright,
did
next
it
one.
take to catch that fish?
What do you take?
You gotta admit, the only reason you caught that was because of my masterful net skills.
Alright guys, you missed it 2 times.
And he jumped. Oh, I got one!
Oh, fish on. We got another one.
What a kegger, bro.
What a kegger, bro. Put it on the ground,
That's how
bro.
you do it, bro. Biggest night
That's
fish
a
of the day,
chode.
bro.
That's a chode right there.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh,
It's
fuck.
off, bro.
It's on the deck. Hey, that counts for everyone. Hey.
Oh.
Hey.